Hey gang, welcome back to an empty Dogtown, but this video is not about Dogtown. This video is about some new goodies I got from my buddy Eric at Rockin H Farm Toys, and I thought I'd do an unboxing on his stuff, because I don't know that I've done an unboxing when I got something from him. Anyway, so some of you guys might know we got a bunch of shows coming up. We've got, let's see, we've got Evansville, Indiana, which is early in June there. We've got hopefully the Timewell show, not confirmed yet, but hopefully the Timewell, Illinois show late June, and then Metropolis, Illinois in July. So here's the first thing you get when you get from Eric, a whole bunch of DOT tape, which is awesome because that really sets off a truck or trailer. So I'm glad to get that. I probably just ought to ask Eric where he gets his, or if I can just get like a sheet of that stuff at some point. But anyway, give you an idea here. Whole bunch of tires. I typically just go with the chrome tires. I don't know, kind of like them. I think they look good. You can get white, or chrome rims, I'm sorry. You can get white rims from Eric as well. His rims look very nice. You know, all Eric's stuff is nice stuff. He does a great job. Here, I'm going to open up. Nice job of packing. I could probably learn a thing or two from him. As far as that goes, I could probably learn a thing or two from Eric in general. We chat every once in a while. Just throw around ideas and just kind of check in on each other. So, like I said, Eric's a good guy. If you ever need anything like what I'm about to show you, he's the guy for sure. Let's see here. I'm rolling. Oh, yeah. So this is a pup trailer. So his kits, let's pop this out of the bag real quick. His kits are super easy to put together. That's what I love about them. They're just well designed. So you got your hopper. This tarp is a separate piece. You've got your bottom as a separate piece. And your what would we call that, dolly, I guess, and hitch as a separate piece. But these also, just as far as pup trailers, you can also make just a really nice short, trailer to pull with those. So those are really versatile, and I like to do some different things with those when I can. Anyway, I'm trying to load up for the upcoming show season. I just want to have a variety. I've got quite a few like mid-level custom tractors built. Hopefully we'll have a few higher end custom tractors built by then. Of course, we're going to have tons of parts and things like that as well. Here is one of his service beds. These look sweet on the C60 and C65 Chevys. So that's what this is going to be. Just kind of a nice old school service bed. I ordered a couple of those from him so that I could make up some service beds. And actually one of them I will keep myself because I made one, and somebody liked it. They thought it looked cool, which it did, and ended up wanting it. So, well, I sold it. Don't mind doing that, as long as I know I can make myself another down the road, and that was the case here. Sorry, there's like a lot of dead space here. I guess I can stick an 8850 in the shot. You guys can just mull over my 8850 repower there. So I cut the engine out and put the correct Cummins in. Just little things here and there. It's force-filled the hood seam, all that sort of thing, just to get a nice looking tractor. Didn't go completely over the top with it, but I've got one I'm working on that will be that over the top level. Ooh, I'm struggling to get these unwrapped in a reasonable manner. I apologize for that. Oh yeah, so here's one of these. I believe this is a Neville trailer. We actually pull one of these on the farm. Anyway, really cool. And I actually got a couple of these. I've got a couple of these already built to sell, and I've got a couple that I need just to put on Dogtown, quite frankly. Because of having a couple, I decided to stick up for sale. All right, let's see here. Just going to set that there for now. As you can see, kind of, I'm getting Dogtown cleaned up a little bit finally, and getting a little more progress done to it. Definitely have more to go, but I will get there at some point. This, oh yeah, great. This is another short trailer. This is a Demco trailer. This is the short one. I love I don't know, I feel like there's a need for short trailers in the farm toy world. Like, I don't see too many of them, but I see a ton of them, you know, here in real life. So, I'm glad Eric's got kits to make that thing. This, I'm unwrapping. This is going to be another one of those Neville's, I'm pretty sure. Nope, maybe not. So, told you about the upcoming shows. Everybody's been asking about a virtual show for summer. I want to do it. I had some issues with YouTube with the winter show, and it really bummed me out, to be honest with you. There were 2 videos I could just never get to upload, and yeah, there's another Demco. There's a Demco kit this time. So, so anyway, I'm trying to, we're deciding, one, our summer is jam-packed. And so that makes things tricky, obviously, for us. But, you know, to put together a show, it takes a significant amount of time to do one of those shows. That's just my invoice with a nice little thank you. So, appreciate that. Thanks, Eric. Always great doing business with you. I know for a fact this is another Demco, so I'm not going to undo it. And then these are something a little different yet, so I can't wait to see what we got here. Oh yeah, super excited. Almost forgot I ordered these. Holy crap. Very excited for these. I can't wait to show you guys here. If I can get the tape off. Excellent job packing, Eric. That's not being sarcastic. Excellent. I mean, it's seriously great job packing these up. Nothing was damaged in shipment, which is, if you guys know 3D parts, that's a miracle. So, great. So, these are like tandem, Super B, I don't know, type flatbed trailers. So, obviously, you snap the sprues here. I'll just do that real quick. He does these to ease with printing. I'm sure it helps with print integrity. I'm sure it helps with cost as well. So, just, again, a well-designed package here. Sweet. Look at that. Look at that. Cool flatbed trailer. Anyway, I don't know what I'm going to do with these for sure yet, but I've got, you know, maybe an idea or two. I'd like to, you know, maybe make a super cool spray trailer out of that. I don't know. We'll see. But anyway, guys, I guess that'll do it for this video. Thanks for watching. Always appreciate it. Check us out for theloveoftractors.com. And if you get a chance, check out my friend Eric at Rockin H Farm Toys.com. He's got this really great thing called the Diecast Lab, where you can learn some stuff from him. He's, you know, really awesome and open with info, and obviously makes really cool parts and stuff like that too. So if you haven't ever kind of checked Eric out, give him a shout out, guys. Go check him out. So, all right, thank you all. Have yourselves a great day. Happy tractor hunting.